Good morning, I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. US markets rallied on Thursday following a rise in jobless claims that rekindled investor hopes that the Fed will cut rates in the second half of this year. The Dow rallied 0.85% to make it the seventh positive close in a row for the 30 stock index. The S&P 500 finished 0.51% higher, while the Nasdaq closed 0.27% higher. Unemployment claims for the week ending May 4 rose by 22,000 to 231,000, up from 209,000 the week before, the Labor Department reported. In addition to the unemployment data, a bond auction met with strong demand helped drive yields lower on Thursday. The 10-year Treasury was last down 3 basis points to about 4.45%, while the 2-year Treasury yield dipped 3 basis points to roughly 4.81%. In company news, Home Depot and Caterpillar led the Dow higher as both stocks added 2%. Warner Brothers Discovery added 3%, despite reporting softer than expected headline numbers. Semiconductor company Arm lost more than 2% after giving weak revenue guidance. Airbnb pulled back more than 6% after also lowering guidance. Apple closed 1% higher after Bloomberg reported that the company will deliver some of its upcoming artificial intelligence features this year via data centers equipped with its own in-house processors, part of a sweeping effort to infuse its devices with AI capabilities. Turning to commodities, Johnson Matthey predicts that the platinum market will experience a significant deficit of 598,000 ounces in 2024, the largest in the past decade, following a shortfall of 518,000 ounces in 2023, with primary supply projected to decline by 2% due to normalized Russian shipments. Additionally, all platinum group metals are anticipated to remain in deficit this year, with palladium expected to be short by 358,000 ounces and rhodium by 65,000 ounces. Traders are betting heavily on a surge in European gas prices, reaching levels not seen in over 2 years, amid concerns over potential supply disruptions. Investment funds' net long positions in futures contracts tied to Europeans' main gas benchmark have soared to 96.4 terawatt hours, valued at approximately €3 billion, the highest bullish stance since February 2022, coinciding with Russia's invasion of Ukraine and subsequent cuts to gas supplies, which drove prices up. Turning to US sectors, the best performer was real estate, which closed 2.31% higher. The worst performing sector was tech, which finished down 0.25%. In European news, the Bank of England announced it would hold interest rates steady as expected. However, in later commentary, it was clear that more policymakers voted in favour of a rate cut than the BOE's previous meeting. Looking ahead to the Australian landscape, the SPI futures are pointing to a 0.3% gain. Thank you for listening and have a great weekend.